Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different video for you. It is a Target haul video and I am super excited about this because the products that I actually have are perfect for my hospital bag. As you guys may know, if you've been following me for a while, you already know that I am expecting, and I am expecting extremely soon, as I just found out that we are pretty high in the growth chart. So they don't expect me to go all the way full term because I'm tiny and she is not. I have been packing my hospital bag. I may have done it about 3 times now, meaning that I have filled the bag, taken the things out, refilled it about 3 times. So I want to show you guys some of the products that I do have that will be making it into my hospital bag, and then just some that came at perfect timing because I needed them for my actual life at home. Let's get right into this. So the first product is something that all of us girls can really enjoy, even men who like to use girl razors. This is Venus by Gillette. I love that it's 5 blades. Typically you see the 4 blade ones. I love the 5 blade. That means my shave is going to be even smoother once I can finally reach my legs. I can't wait to shave my legs on my own. I've been seeing things on Pinterest that could really help someone shave their legs by themselves, and you kind of gotta make your own little rig, like a stick, connect it to your razor, shave your legs. It's just a lot of work. Sorry honey, I haven't shaved my own legs in a while, but definitely looking forward to it. Another product that I'm really excited to try out is by Olay, and it's their new Whips moisturizer. My skin is crazy different than usual with this pregnancy. I have the most dryness I've ever experienced. I've kind of been finding some relief in a product that I'm going to show you guys that I have been playing with, so I kind of cheated with this haul thing because I needed to use it right away. So I'm really excited to try out this moisturizer. There are 7 skin benefits in one. Actively replenishes nourishing moisture, even skin tone appearance, enhances brightness, visibly smooths fine lines and wrinkles, minimizes the look of pores, restores firmness, and visibly reduces dark spots. This is what the packaging looks like. So pretty. In person, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it has like an iridescence kind of look. Smells really good. Feels really nice. Olay Micro Scrubbing Cleansing Infusion. So this is a scent crushed ginger, and we go through so many body washes, so I love these huge size body washes. This is definitely necessary in my house. Thank you, because I needed this. It's just in time. Another product that I am super excited to try out, especially with my shorter hair, I like to wash it a little bit more regularly, by Herbal Essence. This is their Refresh Blue Ginger and Micellar water. Now I've only ever used micellar water for my facial cleansing routine, so this is super exciting. I never tried it. I'm going to let you guys know how this turns out for me because I'm just excited to try it out, just because it's micellar water for your hair. So I mean, our scalp is skin too, so I can see how that works. So the next 2 products I'm super excited to show you guys, because one of them I've actually been using, as I told you before, that I have a lot of dryness going on. Then this product came to me and I tried it out, and the first time I used it, I didn't get that tightness around my face. You know, the tightness you get right after using the wrong facial cleanser. That feeling. And this is the Olay Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow Facial Cleanser. It has sea kelp and aloe extract, and I have to tell you guys, I really love how this takes my makeup off and how my skin feels directly after cleaning my face. It feels so smooth. It feels really free and relaxed, and that is important to me because I don't want to be drying my skin out even more. This is definitely a lifesaver. I'm so happy that I was able to try this out. And now these other two products are super interesting. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is by Crest, and it's their new toothpaste. It's their Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste, and I'm going to throw this right into my hospital bag. And I'm just really excited to try this one out. It's a gum detoxifier, so you want to make sure that you take care of your gums. It's not always about the teeth, so it's like a whole mouth kind of paste. It's not just toothpaste, so super important. And then the last one was the most interesting product that I saw, and once again it's another hospital bag pick for me. It is by Secret, and it is their traveling deodorant. I mean, does it even look like a deodorant? No. So it's like also discreet. You can throw it in your regular bag, just take it, go and refresh yourself throughout the day, especially summer's coming, hopefully. And it's going to start getting very humid. If you're in New York, you know what I mean. This is just an unscrew deodorant. Put it on, keep it moving. So yeah, this is the perfect size, once again, for your hospital bag. You don't want to take up too much space. There are already so many things that you have to take with you. And then after that, it will be in my actual bag, my baby bag, my bag, like whatever. Any bag I have at the moment, I can possibly guarantee this is going to be in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'm going to try out a lot of these products that I haven't tried out. I'm really excited about the Herbal Essence shampoo because it's micellar water and I'm so curious. Olay Whips, I'm definitely excited to try that out. I've been using any moisturizer I can get my hands on for this dryness. My skin is so fatigued. I don't sleep much. I'm like out of breath. My bones hurt. It's just crazy. I didn't experience a lot of this with my son, so I guess like the female hormones just affect you differently. My body is shocked. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know. I'm so curious of how they work with you. If you're packing your hospital bag, let us know what your must products are. Hopefully I'll have a video up for you guys before delivery, because that is super soon. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this journey, for watching my videos, for all of the things that you guys are to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So till my next video, stay beautiful.